15 Pro Max day one unboxing and first impressions. So $11.99 for this phone right here. You can see I did go with the natural titanium color, and the boxing experience already basically the same as last year. However, it's a little thing I noticed. Apple logo right there, bringing it around, another Apple logo, left iPhone, right iPhone. Very clean, minimalistic, and simple. On the back, you will see just iPhone 15 Pro Max, 15 Pro Max and USB-C charging cable available with headphones sold separately. Now, it does say we do have up to 1 terabyte available, but this is an eSIM only in the US. You'll only be able to get eSIM. Now, to unbox this thing, all you gotta do is pull the tab right there, and then pretty quickly here. And there we go. Here is the natural titanium. And I gotta tell you right out of the gate, this is a beautiful color. While it does look a little bit lame on the pictures in person, this looks very premium. Now let me go ahead and show you the sides here. We're gonna see that natural titanium, and man, this is stunning. I'm already loving this because I really cannot stand the fingerprint shiny sides of some of the older iPhones. So definitely loving this right here. I think this is gonna be a hit. This is gonna be one of the reasons people want to get this, is just because those edges. I'm serious. Over there on the left, you're going to see that action button with the power button or the volume rockers right there. Let's take a look at that USB-C. Hello. Welcome to Android land with USB-C. Now iPhone finally has the USB-C. Right here, but what I really like is just the weight and the titanium edges. This is the main thing. The color, you know, it's cool, but like I probably would like to see in a product red color, but it's just the weight and the titanium edges. That's what I'm loving so far already. This feels as light as, it kind of feels as light as an iPhone 14 Plus, honestly, even though it's not quite as light. I'm gonna boot into this, and then we'll bypass this process because how many times have you seen this? I'm not gonna waste your time with it. So I skipped past most of the setup, but I gotta show you this one because this is new. The all new accent button will allow you to press and hold to turn the silent mode on and off, or you're gonna have the option to go ahead and customize this. So you're gonna be able to take this thing into different modes, whether it be the flashlight, the voice memo, shortcuts, or camera. So there's gonna be a lot of different new things you can do with this action button right here. So that's pretty neat if you ask me. Also, there is one more new thing with this phone. You now can contact roadside assistance via the emergency SOS stuff, so that's a new thing as well. Now I'm also noticing the bezels they're definitely noticeably thinner. This is the best and closest to all-screen iPhone I've ever seen. So that's pretty amazing right there. If you really like, you know, getting close to an all-screen, although the dynamic